Well, good Saturday morning, godly trading community. I am pleased to see you here this morning. I hope some of you enjoyed yesterday's streamathon. I hope some of you were able to watch it. I was live for 6 different streams all throughout the day, starting at 7 in the morning and ending up around 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock yesterday afternoon. So it was a good day. I'm glad we did it. It was, I've never done something like that before. But anyway, today, or on Saturday, it's always sort of take stock day, look at what's happened during the week, look at your strategies, do some journaling, all of those things. So today I wanted to catch you up on a couple of strategies that I'm using. I'm showing you in the Facebook group what I'm doing. But I just wanted to give you a live update on some of these. These are they're so passive, they're so dead simple, and I forget that I have them oftentimes. So this is these are my, where is it at here? Give me 1 second. There it is. These are my options strategies and my ETF strategies. Now this is still trading. Well, at least the options are. The ETFs, this is just pure passive income. I almost said passive aggressive because I saw family on Thursday. But this is let's do the ETFs first, because this is just simply you put money into it and it spits money back out of it. I would recommend everyone have one of these strategies in your portfolio, because it why not? I mean, it ties up some of your money, but this thing can return 15 to 20% a year. It's kind of what you're looking at the minimum for your trading anyway, and you literally don't do anything. So let me just show you that first. So I have put $1,000 into 5 ETFs. You can ignore the Carnival Cruise. So it's GPIX, well, you can see them here. My throat is not doing well since yesterday. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I invested a total of $992.43 in these, and I have gotten back $6.88 in dividend payments since then. You think that's not much? It's only been 2 weeks. So 992.43 divided by 688 is not right. Let's try that again. 6.88 divided by 992.43. So my dividend that I've gotten divided by how much what is the return cash on cash? This is how you would evaluate any investment, whether it's real estate, any long-term investment. What's your cash on cash return? So 0.00, so from a percentage standpoint, so let's call it 0.7% for 2 weeks. All right. So times 26 gets you 18% a year in dividend payments off of these ETFs. Now this is a balanced portfolio, and I would encourage everyone out there to ask questions, to go and look and search. Some of these give you 7% a year. They're more stable. They are from investing in more stable products. One of them invests in Bitcoin. One of them, four of the five, where's my hand? 4 of the 5 invest in, give you monthly dividends. One of them gives you weekly dividends. Anyway, this is a portfolio that is it's a blend of aggressive and moderate, and conservative and moderate, and one aggressive. And it gives me, I average out to about 15.5% a year. So what does that mean? Well, that means that I put $1,000 in and I get $12.50 a month was my projection. Now look at it here. I've gotten 688 and half a month. It's about what I was projecting. Okay, $12.50, whoop-de-doo, right? But just imagine for a second, if I put $1,000, I've got $1,000 into it. Imagine if I put $2,000 into it. So that'd be $25 a month. You think, okay, again, whoop-de-doo. Our water bill here where we live is about $25 a month. So just imagine this scenario. I put $2,000 into this account one time and forget about it. And every month it covers my water bill. I never have to pay the water bill ever again. Sure, I'm paying it, right? But I never have to worry about the money for my water bill ever again. For the rest of my life, my water bill is covered. That's just amazing to me. Anyway, so that is this dividend income investment. This is not trading. This is just pure investing. So now let's take a look at the options strategies that we're doing. We're doing 2 option strategies. We're doing just pure covered call